Let's take a closer look at this gold pan and sluice kit from Vevor. You can see all the parts that are included. I'm going to go through them one at a time, and I'm going to explain how every one of them work. First of all, you come with a whole bunch of accessories that include your sniffer bottle for picking up your product inside your pan when you find gold specks. And you have your sample bottles that you can collect your gold samples in. Here's a bottle with some gold in it that I've already collected. You can see in the bottom. You come in, we have a magnifying glass with a set of tweezers. And you have a carrying case that everything fits in. This here is your sluice kit. If you choose to use it, you can mount this on a rock in a stream. You could do it manually by pouring your dirt product through here and then washing it down. You would then take it apart and you would then wash any of your gold specks out of this mesh that collects it in the inside here, but you have to have moving water for this to work. This is a standard gold pan where you will pick your product out of if it's sand or gravel in the stream, and you will then be able to sluice it in water, and you will be able to use these ripples. You can see that this side has large ripples, this side has small ripples. They both work extremely well to separate the dirt and sand from your gold samples. Let's move down here, and what we have here is known as a classifier, and you need a scoop that you would then take your bucket, which is not included in this kit, and you would put the classifier on the bucket. You would scoop the product in the dirt, ground, gravel, whatever you have. You put it in here, and you would then shake it, and that's how you minimize the size of the rocks, and you can then take the larger rocks and twigs, and you can throw it away. You take the classified material, put it in your pan, and then you can clean it out with water or a stream. Finally, what happens when you are out in a creek looking for gold, the best place to find specks of gold is when you find black sand. Now the black sand is magnetic, and that's where this comes in. You have a magnet that is with a release on the handle here, and I'll show you how that works. This is just a sample for the magnet, and then as soon as you pull up on the handle, it releases it. So now, the purpose of this is to, once you have product in your pan and you've cleaned it down to a level, you can put the magnet in there, lift it up. The black sand, which is magnetic, will come with it, and it will make it easier for you to get down to the gold samples that you find in your pan. Everything you have here is what you need to gold pan and get started. I highly recommend this kit from Vevor.